But this one, in this currency pair, going short, that decision was accurate, because now I have $769. So yeah, let's go with 100, and we are going for long. Definitely, you can see that we do kind of have local support level, I would say, and I expect a rebound from the support zone upwards, and the oscillator has just exited the oversold, giving a signal for growth. So yeah. There you go, $192. Great. Not complaining, not complaining. I will. Okay, now what we have. Australian United States dollars. Let's go all in, I believe. And I'll explain you what. 209, that is what we have. And 209, this is what we're gonna put on table. Yeah, going for short. As we can see, long upward candle wick from the Zigzag plus. Williams approaching that rip-out zone. Plus Williams approaching that rip-out zone means, signals for decline. I'm sorry guys, I believe you're so, yeah, sorry for that. And therefore we can go for short. Yeah, I'm super tired these days, guys, you know. And I'm tired not because of the things I might be physically doing. No, I'm not physically active throughout the day, but you know, thinking about millions of things just exhausts me, I would say. It is very tough. But what makes me happy, this is what makes me happy, but can you imagine the difference in seconds? Wow, this is why time matters a lot. Okay, Canadian dollars and the Japanese yen here. We go $400, like almost all in. I'm going for short. We're having a bearish trend right here, you can see that. And you can see that from the upper zigzag edge, we see a global downtrend here. Therefore, we can just continue going. Yeah, lately I find out that life is very complicated, and it's not always, I mean, vice versa. It's always about choosing. It's always about making an option, making a decision, taking the responsibility for that decision. And only time may show if the decision was wrong or right. But this one, in this currency pair, going short, that decision was accurate, because now I have $769. Okay. We do have very strong buyer, right, by the way. So $700, and I want to go for long, honestly. So yeah, a very strong buyer just entered the Australian dollar, and I'm willing to just continue going upwards, even though we might be in overbought condition. No, not yet. No, we got some room. We got some room. Oh my God. 1,400. Good. Again, Australian dollars and the francs here. But right now, the situation is kind of obvious. Going 1,000 and going for short. Even though I believe we are kind of entering the consolidation, right? I know I risked it, because we might be in a consolidation right now, but no, we are not. So apparently, according to the zigzag right now, you can see that we are having a strong fall, and plus to that, a breakout of the support level around 0.54,800. I like it. Where have you been? Oh my God. It was that close to our entry point. Getting mudman. Okay, now, you know, but we have $2,333. Okay, 2,000. Let's risk it. Even if I lose it, still I'm in profit. Because I had 115 or 17 in the beginning. I don't remember exactly, but something like this. So we're going definitely for short. This is first of all. You can see that there's a bounce from the zigzags line downwards. And plus to that, you can see the hammer pattern for a decline. So Williams also shows a signal for fall. Obvious kind of must be. I mean, honestly, I would not recommend you having a trade in this type of situation, because you can see that the market just goes crazy. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. This kind of, you know, situation requires a lot of knowledge and a lot of, you know, self-control and the management and the risk control. You have to, you know. Oh my God! Did you freaking see that? Did you? Oh my days. Oh my days. I swear to God, I wanted to say, like, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You may lose it as well. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. We got very lucky right there. Very much lucky. Oh my days, bro. Oh my freaking days. Damn, the last second it just went below the entry point. Wow. So 4,100 and what was it? Wait. $4,173 right here. Wow. Just freaking wow, bro. I just made it from 1,117 or 15. I don't remember exactly, but 4,173. Wow. Wow. Oh, the last one was mind blowing. I swear. I didn't really expect it be that one that way, but okay. I'm really very glad that we ended this video like this. So yeah, if you want to get great analysis, you know, risk management and everything. Damn, I'm still, you know, under the influence of this situation. It just affected me so freaking bad. So guys, the link to the Telegram VIP group is in the comment section. The pinned commentary is going to be the link to my Telegram VIP group. So go and check it out. It's going to be very much useful for you. I swear. This is what I believe in. This is what people are talking about. And the group itself is really being very useful for them and important. So go and check it out. Everything is for free. If you don't like it, you can leave it anytime that you wish. As well as, do not forget to leave a like. Of course, I mean, I believe that this video deserves really very great amount of likes, because the last one was something crazy. And subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, guys. This is kind of my motivation as well. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Focus on getting wealthy. Goodbye.